Hello and welcome to another Vifto tutorial. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to send a quotation out to one of your clients or customers. So let's make a start as we always do. On the left hand side we have dashboard, and then we need to select sales. Around about the third one down we have quotations, and here it is. This is your quotation screen. Now you can see there is a Vifto logo here. No problem, just click the space and upload your brand, your logo, whatever it is, to make sure that your clients and your customers, when they receive the quotation, they know who it's come from and why. So let's take a look at those clients and customers. On our list, we need to send this quotation to, and then we select the correct person, whoever that is. Today we're going to use JS Car Sales. Now you'll notice the apply discount slider was activated when I selected that debtor. The reason for that is because when I set the debtor up in the first place, I added a default discount. This will happen from time to time where one of your clients or your customers have a sort of pre-established discount which you would apply, more often than not perhaps. But in this instance, we can click the slider and you'll notice that the default discount option has been removed. Okay, so we're going to apply the discount in this instance, and you can see the discount has actually popped up here. But what would we be discounting? So JS Car Sales, say for example today, we'll pick from our products list a twin sports exhaust, and we want to add the default discount rate. So we click the little icon there, and you can see on the right hand side we have the discount has been applied, including the VAT as well. So we'll just double check that. We can preview, and then bottom right hand corner we can see subtotal, discount, total after discount, the VAT, and then the total at the end, which is perfect. So here the external reference can be absolutely anything at all. Now the quote date is important because quotations are often time sensitive. Now we can make this easy. How long do we want this valid for? If we want it valid for say maybe just 10 days, you'll notice the valid till date will actually change automatically. If you want it for longer than 30, say maybe 40 days, you'll see that it's changed again. Let's keep it simple and just have 30 days. For now, all of the information is all present and correct and relevant. We do have our bank details included there, but you can simply click off that. It's not always required for a quotation. And the default contacts, so when we press post down here in the bottom right, we know that it's going to go directly to the selected or nominated default contact. When we set up our debtor, we would add our default contact, and so any invoice or any quotation once posted will go directly to that person. And today is no exception, so let's post. We're happy to post this quotation off. It's been sent and posted successfully. You can open and just browse the details again just to double check, but everything's fine. Okay, now what you'll also notice that when you have posted a quotation, you go to sent and it'll be here. You can see which one it is because we have the little egg timer there, and all that's trying to suggest is, has this been accepted or not? If not, then the egg timer shall remain. But if you receive an email, a phone call, or any other communication accepting that quotation from your client, it's to the right hand side, 3 little dots, and then quite simply accept the quotation. Now it's going to confirm this because once you've accepted the quotation, the client will then be invoiced. So we're going to say yes to that, and it will have been saved. System reference 32, that's gone off to the same default contact as instructed. Let's just quickly go to invoices and just a double check, posted, and you can see, yes, we have invoiced JS Car Sales, and that is it. That is how simple it is to send a quotation out to your client and to accept that quotation when it comes back from the client, and of course the invoicing process afterwards. Thank you very much for joining me. Do join me again for another Vifto tutorial. All the best.